lecture. This is going to be the most important lecture of the whole, I would say, module, or you can say the one of the most important lectures of this entire course.
बिकॉज इसमें हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं रिस्क मैनेजमेंट के बारे में। रिस्क मैनेजमेंट क्या होता है, उसका इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है, उसको अपने को क्यों यूज़ करना चाहिए, उसके बारे में मैं बात करने वाला हूँ। तो बेसिकली अब देखो, एक थंब रूल आपको बना लेना चाहिए, एंड दिस शुड बी एप्लीकेबल इन एवरी अदर एस्पेक्ट ऑफ लाइफ एज वेल, बट दैट्स अनदर स्टोरी। You can never be right 100% of the time. No matter how good of a trader you are, no matter how great of a trader you are, you can never ever be right 100% of the time. Never. See, one of the greatest traders of all time, which is Jesse Livermore, he had an accuracy of 30 to 40%. So, what made it great? What made him great? It's basically his risk to reward ratio. When he lost a small amount. But when he won the trades, he won a huge amount of money. So let's say, agar I lose 1 rupee per trade, and I lose 99 trades. But when I win one trade, I win 1000 rupees. That is a net profit of 900 rupees with an accuracy of just 1%. So this is the reason why managing risk is so important. And like I said, no one can be right 100% of the time. So you have to be prepared for the times when you are wrong, so that you don't mess up your finances, you don't mess up your mindset, you don't mess up your stress system. जिससे you will be able to trade for another day. Because बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे ट्रेड करते हैं like there is no tomorrow. They take huge risks, they end up losing all their money, and then they blame trading that it is gambling, it is difficult, etc., etc., etc. So this is some most important lecture where I'm going to teach you risk management, the ins and outs of risk management, how to manage your risk, what are the tools that you're going to need, what are the things जो आपको ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा. Starting off with risk management. Now again, this is coming back to a presentation. This is a little bit of theoretical, but don't worry, I'll try to keep it as interactive as possible. So the very first step to managing a risk, to managing certain risk, is to first define your risk, because you cannot manage undefined risk. अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है भाई मेरा रिस्क क्या है, मेरा रिस्क कितना है, you cannot possibly manage that amount of risk because आपको पता ही नहीं. For example, let's say you are a manager in a company, you don't know how many employees are there. How are you supposed to manage them? How are you supposed to know भाई मेरा employee कौन है कौन नहीं है, क्या कौन क्या पोजीशन पे काम कर रहा है? It's impossible. So as a manager in a company, you need to know how many employees are working under you,